You searched how to buy shares of Affirm. Affirm is a U.S. fintech company specializing in point-of-sale lending and payments, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker AFRM. This short guide is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you must use a broker. Here, I use eToro as the example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker AFRM to find Affirm quickly. Select the result that shows Affirm on NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company details and a price chart that shows recent movement. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker to make sure it's the right Affirm share. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it can complete the purchase. Once executed, your Affirm position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to visit the platform.